welcome Kamabungay and my wires. I'm your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlina being Basilio Rindon, live and alive in Davao City, sharing you my travel going outside of the subdivision. I'm passing by Catalunan Pequeño Elementary and the other side, the high school, Catalunan High School. But it's good that before dismissal time, I was able to go out the subdivision as much as it is really heavy traffic. At the moment, it's dismissal time from classes of the students there. So here I am going to the downtown for another tour with the retired teacher. The street's free and I can do what I want anytime, anywhere. No restriction, no call or text, chat to stop my going here and my, of course, my post, click chicken post. So we're already here in Chase Mart. I'm about to pay my it's Pacquiao, so we have to pay 40 pesos. But if it's not Pacquiao, I'm just paying 10 pesos. As much as super happy going to the gate, so I decided to Pacquiao. Thank you for the safe travel. So this is our vehicle going out in the subdivision. The tricycle or used to be called here in Davao as the pedicab. Thank you. Oh, that's my blue ride. Blue. I'm going now to the location where I can ride the jeep going to downtown. Let's again explore downtown. In as much as I received good news yesterday that salary differential is already inside my interview. So let's go and try to check if it is really correct that I already have my 5 months salary differential. I render services from January to June. So this is our sakayan. Later pa. This is the jeep, but I have to go here. 7-Eleven. When you like to go to downtown, you ride here. Go to 7-Eleven because there is Alan Bank ATM. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's go. So this is my oops. What's this? Day in Davao City. Ouch! There's no cash. Wow, no ATM. So we'll be looking for. There's no available one here in 7-Eleven. So I have to go out and look for another ATM in the downtown. Let's go. So we'll try to have a ride later. Okay, just makaagi kag ano kanang sa may Gaisano. O Manila crossing na lang. Sige, salamat. So dito na ako sa kabila. Makaaginig ano kanang Gaisano. Makaagi mo Gaisano crossing kanto. Ilustre. Mababa kag Matina. O sige. Okay na pwede direct. So here is my ride now. I need to go to downtown. Pwede rin ako banda. This senior citizen of the world. Okay, pwede rin lang. Salamat ha. Nag-lisod ko. So this is very accommodating people of Davao. When you request them, they will give you a chance to just sit on the first seated allotment. Also the privilege